So, as I've told you, the next video will be an exercise about the logic functions we've learned before. If you want to do this exercise in advanced and did so, I will put a link to the exercise in the video description. So please pause the video here and do this exercise, because the next part of this video will be a solution for this exercise. So here we have this exercise. We need to enter the salary depending on the department, and should use the if-as function. And this, we could also use the table on the right for referencing. So if we don't want to have absolute values written in our if-as formula. So we use if-as and we check if the department is SAT. So fix this, because references are in general dynamic. Fix also the salary, so the value if this test is true. Then check again if it's this department, hands out otherwise this value. Check if this is this, otherwise hands out this value. Check if this is this, otherwise hands out this value. Check if this department is sorry. At this point, you could either check if this department is EYP, or you could use the so-called else value and fallback value. So put a 1 or true in, and then only link the salary, so the else value then. So, and you see this is right, and also you will see that all the others are right, so we did our formula the right way. So here if an employee has experience, if he's over 30 and don't work in the CBS department, we should use the if formula and. So if, and now the and formula checks if both values, both tests are true, and only if both tests are true, the true value will be handed out, otherwise the false value will be handed out. So if age is larger than 40 and the department isn't CBS, I write it the hardcode way in here, then we should write experience, otherwise no experience. Close bracket. So if this test is true, and for this test to be true, both values needs to be true, this value will be handed out, otherwise this value will be handed out. And you see, it's true for the first line, first row, and it's also true for all the other rows. I hope the task went as well as with my solution with your task, and I hope also to see you in the next video. Bye.